Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Ryan. Welcome back to Burnwood Bushcraft. Today we're going to take a look at a very affordable, budget-friendly knife from KEXMO. It's a cheap knife, but it's actually a pretty decent little knife, and I've already had it out of the box, but this is how it's going to come. It's going to come in this little box right here. You can see it says outdoor survival, mountaineering, camping, outdoor sports, tools, gifts, military enthusiasts, or collectible. Take it out of the box. Comes with a little nylon sheath. Nothing really special. Got your belt loop on the back if you're going to wear it on your belt. So this is what we looking like right out of the box. Got your clip right here, so if you want to wear it in your pocket. This knife is perfect to keep in your everyday carry kit. It comes in army green and black. The blade is stainless steel. It's built with an Ergonomic G10 handle, pocket clip, and safe liner lock. The blade thickness is 0.12 inches. The blade length is 3.19 inches. Total length 7.08 inches. So you got your open assist right here on the back. It kind of acts like it doesn't want to flip open very easily, but you know, not too bad. Not a bad little knife. It's got the thumb ridges right there on the top. Small knife. Yep, decent little knife right here. I'll probably carry this a lot. Thank you, KEXMO. I appreciate it. You guys go check out the link in the description. Until next time, you guys be safe, and I'll see you on the next one.